As much as we love slow cookers, pressure cookers, yogurt makers, rice cookers and air fryers, we know not everyone has the counter or cabinet space for them all. Because it can accomplish these tasks and more, a multi-cooker is perfect for small kitchens, or if you just want to eliminate the need for multiple appliances. Instant Pot is arguably the biggest name in multi-cookers, and the brand makes our best overall pick. But other companies like Breville also have offerings on the market that are worth checking out. To come up with this list of the best multi-cookers, we considered each device's functions, size and customer reviews. You're sure to find one that'll make meal planning and weeknight cooking more efficient, whether you're prepping chicken breasts, rice, hard-boiled eggs or stew. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best multi-cookers, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best multi-cookers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Power consumption: 1000 watts. Material: stainless steel. Capacity: 6 quarts. Functionality: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, food warmer. This #1 best-selling model made the Instant Pot brand an internet darling. It's easy to use and has all the basic functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté mode and yogurt maker. The original Instant Pot Duo has over 149,000 5-star Amazon customer reviews, so you know it's a good one. One review said it's a game changer. If you haven't used an Instant Pot before, you're missing out. It's probably the most versatile kitchen appliance I own, oven range included. I use it to make everything from eggs and chili to chicken curry and pulled pork. It's actually made it easier and faster for me to cook healthy meals compared to getting takeout. This alone has paid for the Instant Pot 30 times over. Next on our list is the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. Power consumption: 1000 watts. Material: stainless steel. Capacity: 8 quarts. Functionality: pressure cooker, slow cooker, sous vide, sauté pan, rice cooker, sterilizer, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake baker, steamer. The Instant Pot Pro is geared toward multi-cooker enthusiasts, with 28 customizable programs and 5 favorites buttons that you can assign to frequently cooked meals. The inner pot has handles and is stovetop friendly. I've used pressure cookers for many years, and the Instant Pot takes a lot of the work out of using the old-style pressure cookers. You don't need to use a higher heat to get up to pressure and then turn down the burner. That's all done in the Instant Pot heat stage. Nor do you have to set a timer for when to stop cooking. That's done in the Instant Pot setup for pressure. Being able to do a quick pressure release is very easy, not possible in the old-style pressure cooker. Coming in at number 3 is the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. Power consumption: 1500 watts. Material: stainless steel, plastic. Capacity: 6 quarts. Functionality: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, warmer, canning pot, sous vide, NutriBoost. The Pro Plus has many of the same features as the Pro, but with the addition of Wi-Fi connectivity. The companion app lets you release the steam remotely or program when you want to do it. I've loved all of my Instant Pots, but I always like to upgrade when possible, said a happy shopper. This Pro Plus Smart Instant Pot is outstanding. It cooks the same as the last two, but the Wi-Fi functionality allows me to vent from my smartphone, turn the pot to warm, set the temperatures, etc. If you are looking for an upgrade, this is it. At number 4, We have the Breville Fast Slow Pro Slow Cooker. Power consumption: 1100 watts. Material: stainless steel. Capacity: 6 quarts. Functionality: pressure cooker. A super stylish pressure cooker, the Breville Fast Slow Pro is feature-rich to boot. It allows you to cook with accurate temperature and pressure control. This cooker has been in use for 2.5 years, said a happy shopper. What makes this so useful to me is that once you set it up and close the lid, you no longer need to be in the kitchen. It automatically comes up to pressure, cooks, releases pressure 3 different ways, and then keeps food warm. We use it frequently during cooler months for soups and stews. That you can make black bean soup from dry beans without soaking in under 2 hours is fantastic. It also makes the best easily peeled hard-boiled eggs. Last, number 5, Instant Pot Duo Crisp XL 11-in-1. Power consumption: 1500 watts. Material: stainless steel, plastic. Capacity: 8 quarts. Functionality: pressure cook, steam, slow cook, sous vide, warm, air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate. Want an Instant Pot and an air fryer in one? Then get the Duo Crisp, which comes with an additional air fryer lid. It can also bake, broil and dehydrate. One reviewer called the Duo Crisp amazing. Engineering perfection personified, this machine is incredible and does all it says it will do. Automatically seals when the lid is installed for the pressure cooking function, and the push-button steam release is a huge improvement from the older Instant Pots. The air fry lid is sturdy and heats up within 2 minutes for about any heat setting, easy to merely lift off to check what you're cooking, then put back on, and it immediately starts where it left off. Be sure to preheat before placing your food inside so you can get an accurate estimate as to the time it will take to cook. Would give 10 stars if it was an option. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.